My current exercise routine is so easy. It's like really, really, really easy. It's so easy. I've got to be exhausted to not do it. Like, and it's the most I've ever stuck with a routine. Like, it's the longest amount of time. And I've kept it really, really simple. Like, weights in the morning. That's the routine. Like, one day is like back, triceps, and legs. And then the next day is like shoulders, biceps, and abs. Like, that's it. it's so simple. Like, that's pretty much it. Like, on repeat. Like, which type of exercise depends on the day, but like that's the general gist of it. Like, it could be calves, or it could be like squats, or it could be like lower abs or upper abs. Like this or like that for shoulders. Like, making it simple has made it like really, really easy to follow. Like, most days when I wake up, I know what I'm scheduled to do without even looking at my planner. Like, I started off lifting to like 30 reps in sets of 10, and now I do 40. Like, it's just, I think I've been overcomplicating it like this entire time. Like, I know when to add weight and or reps now as well. In the past, I didn't know how to do it. Sounds so weird. Like, when I get bored, like and really comfortable with the routine, that's when it's time to add pressure. If I'm bored and really uncomfortable, I'm struggling, I'm exhausted, do not add anything. That's what I've learned. Beyond that, like, I complete like calisthenic routine for flexibility, endurance, and like overall enjoyment, and like like they're the exercises I complete for like the curiosity of like whether I can do it or not. Like, I put those on my channel. Like, my non-negotiable exercise is weight. Pretty much every single morning. Like, that's it. It's like, it's really simple. Like, I think it's important to have like non-negotiable exercise and negotiable exercise. So like, have something you can stick to through the ups and the downs, and then have something that you can take or leave as well. So like, one is pretty much your discipline and one is your flexibility. And they go hand in hand. So like, that's how easy exercising can be. Like, I didn't realize it until like I went through all this. Like, get up, lift dumbbells, it wakes you up anyway, better than coffee, and then off you go. Get breakfast, cup of whatever you want, and enjoy your day. And if you're struggling getting into a routine, like, try it first thing when you wake up. Like, sounds gross, but like, forget showering, forget brushing your hair, forget brushing your teeth, like all of that. Just go full on skank, and just lift at home. Be like a skanky mess in the morning and just lift at home. You don't have to look fancy, just do it. Make it super easy for yourself, like aim low, like, so it's really embarrassing if you don't do it. And generally speaking, that will make it a hell of a lot easier. Like, I find it really difficult stopping, because then I'm like, yeah, I could just do this again. Like, no. So a really good example of like stopping, because sometimes it happens whether I want it to or not, is actually today. And I woke up after my usual routine of sleeping. I take my supplements of a night time. I've talked about that before. And I took my multivitamin at I don't know what time, and I took my medication probably a couple of hours after that. And usually I take my medication and I'm like, yeah, I'll just lie here for a bit while the medication kind of kicks in, because it can interact with things like caffeine and all the other things that like you can enjoy in the morning. And it's good to give it like an hour. So I say to myself, like, give yourself maybe like 20 minutes, half an hour just in bed while it kind of like gets into your system. And then I get up. Except every now and again, that doesn't happen. And I go, medication. So I'm back to sleep. And I swear my alarm was on. I'm like, did you turn your alarm off? I'm like, yeah. I have an alarm not to wake me up every single day, but to be there just in case I don't wake up at the time I usually do. And I think I turned it off. Then when I got up, I was just like, I'm not even looking at my phone. Usually I look at my phone, see what the time is, and I'm straight onto my scheduler. Not scrolling or anything on like social media, just nice like understanding of what I'm doing today, even though I know what I'm doing. I just like to look at it to keep my mind fresh for the morning. And then I get on with my weights routine. I just like none of that happened today. I was just like, ow. Like I'd slept a long time. And then I was like, ow. Everything just felt like ow, is what I felt today. And I was like, what feels like ow? And I was like, everything. It's like ow. I was like, oh, maybe take a break today. And that's something that I'm learning, that every couple of weeks, one of these days will just blindside me with exercise. And it's not great because I don't generally feel quite as good on those days. And then sometimes I'll be like on the exact same day, and I don't want to do anything else. And I'm like, ugh. The one thing that I've learned is that when I'm aching all over, just leave the weight. Like you can take a day off, like 6 days is enough. But not only that, is to unburden like all the mental side of it, like unburden everything. They just look at my scheduler and be like, what's the minimum you can do today? And then set out to do that. And sometimes, like today, what happens is that minimum can be built on. I don't exactly understand the like neurological mechanisms of this, but sometimes if I just say, just forget about the time, enjoy what you want, like enjoy your tea, your coffee, your breakfast, relax. And I think I wanted to get dishes done today. This sounds like so nothingy, but I'd forgotten to do them last night. And I was like, oh, I've got them to do, and like, I've got that to do. And everything all of a sudden started to feel really pressurizing. So I just was just like, minimum, do minimum. Got the dishes done and was like, oh, I can film for YouTube. I was like, what? I was like, that goes to show you how important it is to get them done last night. I'm like, you like structure. It's just sometimes, it sounds terrible, sometimes I just forget. I just forget to do the dishes. And I'm just like, that this is why. And I'm like, yeah, you're getting lessons. So to round everything up for exercise, and pretty much like everything else in life, you want to keep it like as simple as possible so that you are able to just go, yeah, I can do it. The exceptions to it, if you are literally sore in the places you would usually exercise, like let's say you've got like, I don't know, back, abs, legs, like on one day, and everything's sore, like just take a break from it. Like you could go to the next day and do different exercises if you wanted to, but I usually just go, no, I'm just gonna take a break for today. Like it's not prompted, but generally I function better that way than like pushing and like, anyway. I hope that's helped. Bye.